Hello everyone, welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best pet hair remover on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Chom Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover, showing how it keeps your home clean and fur-free effortlessly. Let's get started. Product features: highly effective pet hair removal. The Chom Chom Roller lifts pet hair thoroughly from couches, carpets, car seats, and rugs, going beyond sticky tape or lint rollers to ensure a clean, fur-free living space every time. Suitable for multiple surfaces. This roller works on a variety of surfaces, including pillows, blankets, and upholstery, allowing you to tackle pet hair in every corner of your home or vehicle without switching tools. Built-in hair collection receptacle. Collected hair is stored inside a built-in compartment, which empties quickly and easily with the press of a release button, making cleanup fast and hassle-free without touching the fur. Reusable and eco-friendly. Unlike disposable sticky sheets, the Chom Chom Roller requires no adhesives or tape. It's reusable, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly, saving money and reducing waste over time. Ergonomic and user-friendly design. Its comfortable handle and smooth rolling mechanism make fur removal effortless, even during long cleaning sessions, reducing wrist strain and providing an easy, enjoyable experience. Compact and portable. Lightweight and easy to store, the roller can be used anywhere, home, car, or travel. Its compact size ensures you can keep it handy for quick touch-ups whenever pet hair accumulates. Efficient for daily maintenance. Designed for pet owners, it quickly addresses everyday shedding as well as post-grooming cleanup. Consistent use keeps your living spaces neat, fresh, and free from annoying fur buildup. Pros: removes pet hair thoroughly and efficiently. Works on multiple surfaces like carpets, sofas, and car seats. Reusable, no adhesives needed, eco-friendly. Built-in hair storage makes cleanup easy. Ergonomic design reduces strain. Compact, portable, and convenient for daily use. Saves time and maintains a fur-free environment. Cons: not suitable for very long or extremely thick pet hair. Manual operation may take slightly longer than vacuum attachments. Requires periodic cleaning of the built-in compartment. Final thoughts: the Chom Chom Roller Pet Hair Remover is a must-have for pet owners. It combines effectiveness, ease of use, and eco-friendly design to make fur management simple and stress-free. From furniture to car seats, it keeps your home tidy and comfortable. Say goodbye to pet hair frustration. Check the price link in the description, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Triplezon for more practical and innovative pet and home solutions.